They said dawn always comes.
May the dawn guide us.
Elder Kulang, the light, it's fading.
Steady yourself, child. The dawn's heart is breaking.
Elder Kulang, what's happening?
The heart of the dawn is breaking apart.
The map of dawn, it's waking!
What's happening to it?
Elder Kulang, they're spreading!
The heart of dawn is broken. Its pieces scattered to the ends of the world.
I can't crow anymore.
It's so quiet. I kept waiting as if the dawn were long.
If the light has forgotten us, I'll remind it who we are.
Take it, child. What remains of the map of dawn still carries its call.
This alive.
The light answers only those who still believe.
Where do I start?
Go where the fireflies still sing. There, the first light waits for you.
Every step forward is a step against the dark. May the dawn guide your heart.
If we must chase the dawn, we won't go alone.
The world may sleep, but the river still remembers the light.
Map, it's alive.
For the first time, the river wasn't just water. It was memory.
All right, time for some real traveling music. Can't chase dawn without a good beat. Dawn, here we come.
Then came the storm, with no sound at all.
See? Told you the storm was just an opening act.
You slept through half of it.
So, no turning back now? Who'd want to?
Then let's chase the next dawn.